So on the count of three, everybody turn around and wish the person in front of three happy birthday. On the count of three, as loud as you can. 1, 2, 3. Buildings here. These are not real buildings. These are facades, meaning they're just the fronts and sides of buildings. The camera picks up the fronts and sides, and your imagination fills in the rest. These white trailers here are for I Feel Bad, which is currently in production. This grassy patch right here, right-hand side, this has been Central Park on numerous occasions. And beyond that, we've got Brownstone Street, where Jim Carrey filmed Russo Money. Place the door! We've got the greenest cars in the lot, the Flintstones mobiles. They are powered by pedal power. 3 Fast and Furious cars here from one of our most successful franchises. The gyrosphere from Jurassic Park, it just appeared here this summer because that slot was empty. They had taken it away for filming the Jurassic World films. It just made a comeback. That is the one that you see in the films. On the left-hand side, this yellow tank here, it's not a real tank. A little bit of movie magic for you. That tank is made of cardboard and plywood, and it's painted yellow to look real for your screens. I know, a disappointment. And on your right, film and television that is today. So, whenever we want to make our own inclement weather, like rain or snow, or I don't know, a flood, we get to create it ourselves. Song number 3, I hope you brought your raincoats. Oh boy, take cover, it's coming. It's coming. Just so you know, Preston wanted to park closer, but it's not to. I've got you. little barrels. Oh boy, well, gentlemen, take note. At least he opened the door for her. Hey, Norman. Preston, best friend Preston. Oh, the best in the world, Preston. Let's get out of here, Preston. Oh boy, Carly Brown, maybe Sandy performs. Oh, that was close. Deep breathe.
The airplane crash site set is a perfect example of a set that is all designed around a vision that Steven had.
It's like you got to sit down to talk about, well, I thought, what if the 747 goes down right in a big neighborhood? Because it's just something you don't see.
You're doing good. You're doing good. Keep your eyes on me. Listen, I want you to close your eyes, okay? Okay, I'm closed. Robbie, get in. Get in.
Roman Pierce, FBI, don't move. Neil? That's right, party's over.
You know how long I took to iron this shirt, man? I'm not...
You're under arrest right now.
Ladies, just back up a little bit. Got it. It's lightweight. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours.
Escort this novice out.
Let's go, Cookie Puss.
You got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family protects you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in the middle.
See what I'm talking about?
Call you back.
Man.
It was on vibrate.
Sean traced us. Ops can't hold forever. Letty, Roman, we're up. Driver, move that vehicle.
It's about to get real interesting. My Mona Lisa's all warmed up right next door.
Roman, grab your truck. I need you and Letty ready to roll. This is our turn.